Today we are drawing a monkey on a jumping rubber. So monkey body color is a deep brown. Then now is the monkey belly color is a deep yellow. And looking so good. And then now his turn is the face color is a light black. Okay. And now the two hand color is the dark black. Also tail color is a monkey is a deep black. Then now let's see the monkey's hair color is also deep black. So now is the star color, and you know the star color is a deep yellow. So let's get paint. And also another star color is yellow. I also paint. And then this is a love color. This love color is a magic red. And here it is. Awesome looking. Now is a rubber band. Is a color of rubber seat. The jumping tail color is a deep green. Okay, good. And the next is a rubber color is a light velvet. And that's looking awesome. The now is the last rest of three tire color is a deep black. The let's just get paint. So okay, our monkey and rubber seat is ready. So jumping monkey is the background color is a table color is a light deep orange and looking awesome. The ground color. Okay, our ground color is ready and it says our lines is Mickey Mouse is awesome. And the rest of background color is a sky blue. So let's just paint. Okay, the rest is sky blue and our monkey on the rubber pad is happy. So thank you so much for this drawing and so watch the videos.